In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to reconcile your bank account in QuickBooks Online, step by step, so you can make sure your books match your actual bank statement. This process is extremely important because reconciliation helps you catch errors, duplicates, or missing transactions before they become bigger problems. Let's get started. First, log into QuickBooks Online and make sure you're on your main dashboard. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner and click on the Settings icon, the little gear symbol. From the Settings menu, click on Reconcile. This will take you to the reconciliation page. Now you'll need to choose which account you want to reconcile. This is usually your checking account, but it could also be a savings or credit card account depending on what you're working on. Before moving forward, pause here and prepare your bank statement. You'll need it open, either digitally or on paper, because you'll be matching every transaction in QuickBooks to the bank statement. Once you're ready, check the beginning balance shown in QuickBooks. This number must match the beginning balance on your bank statement. If it doesn't, stop here and investigate before continuing. Next, set the ending date. This should be the last day of the bank statement you're reconciling, not today's date. After confirming the balances and dates, click Start Reconciling. Now, you'll see a list of transactions. At this stage, keep your bank statement in front of you and start matching transactions one by one. As you find each transaction in QuickBooks that appears on your bank statement, check it off. You're confirming that the amounts and dates match exactly. If you notice duplicate transactions, delete the extra one so it doesn't throw off your balance. If you see a transaction in QuickBooks that does not appear on your bank statement, leave it unchecked. That transaction will usually clear in the next month and should not be forced into the current reconciliation. As you continue checking items, keep an eye on the difference amount. When everything is matched correctly, that difference should be 0. Once the difference shows 0, you're ready to finish. Click Finish Now to complete the reconciliation. After that, QuickBooks will give you the option to go to your reconciliation reports. From there, you can print the report or save it for your records. And that's it. You've successfully reconciled your bank account in QuickBooks Online, ensuring your records are accurate and fully aligned with your bank statement.